I made a carrot cake without using wheat flour. Put 2 carrots sliced into rounds in a blender. 1 cup of sugar. Half a cup of oil. And I'll cover it to mix the ingredients well. Remember, covering the blender is mandatory before turning it on. We don't want the mixture spilling everywhere at the start. Make this for your family too. I'm sure they'll love this recipe. Next, I'll add 3 eggs. 1 cup of milk. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And I'll blend the ingredients well again. The vanilla essence is essential to the recipe as it enhances the flavor of the batter. Share this recipe with your friends and family who love carrot recipes. Now I'll transfer the mixture to a bowl. One cup of corn flour. And I'll mix the ingredients thoroughly in the bowl. The corn flour will give the batter the right consistency in the end. I love eating this recipe in the late afternoon. It pairs perfectly with a coffee recipe. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix the ingredients again. The baking powder is one of the key ingredients in the recipe. Without it, the cake wouldn't rise. Look how beautiful the recipe is turning out. It's so easy and practical to make. Now that the batter is ready, I'll transfer it to a greased metal pan. I can already see how delicious it's going to be once it's done. And I'll put the recipe in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for 50 minutes. After that time, I'll place a plate on top to flip the cake and take it out of the pan. And just like that, it's ready. Now slice a piece and enjoy today's dessert. Tell me a carrot recipe. I'd love to make it for my family. I'm sure they'll love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.